Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily add a calendar widget to your Android desktop screen. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes, subscribe to our channel and also write your comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with this topic. In order to add a calendar widget, you will need to click and hold on an empty space on your desktop screen. After that, as you can see, you'll see a similar menu appear at the bottom, and you'll need to select the Widgets section. Next, either scroll down to the bottom to find Calendar, either type the word Calendar into the search box, or you can find the widget in some system settings. So when you find the calendar, click on it. And as you can see, there are several options for how the calendar will look like on your desktop screen. Choose the one that you like best and click on either the calendar itself or add. As you can see, instantly the calendar was added to my phone's work screen. Now to save your changes, you have to click on the empty field. And as you can see now, this widget, it doesn't move around. You can't do anything with it. But if you hold down on it, you can easily move it, for example, to another window, to another screen, to another additional screen that's specifically for the calendar. So you can go further into the calendar and do what you need to do. Friends, in this very simple way, you can easily add a calendar widget on any Android to your desktop screen. I really hope this video has helped you. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.